Hello my friend, I hope that you are well. If you are using a high quality of picture in your presentation, the file size will be very big. Okay, so for example, for this presentation, you can see I have the file size is 680 megabyte. Can I reduce this file size? Yeah, by reducing the quality of the picture or the image, but without losing the real quality, of course. So do this. If you are sure to not use this picture in other slide or anything else, just click in any picture that you have. For example, this one. Go to the picture format, and here go to the compress picture. Now, if you want to apply for all the slides, all the presentation, click here. No, sorry, and check this one. Apply only to this picture. That's what I want. I don't want this. I want to do it for all the picture. So uncheck this one. If you check this one, you will apply this compression only for this picture. But I want for all the presentation. So I will uncheck this one. Also, a delete cropped area of picture. Yeah, it's very important. And here, I recommend you to use the web. Okay, it is good quality and it doesn't take a lot of space. So after this, just click to the OK, and you will see the size. Look down. Oops, I don't save it. Save. And now, look. Do you see? What is the size? 689 kilobyte. It decreased by, I think, near 90%. Yeah, it's amazing, this compression. Don't forget to save when you click the compress picture. Okay, save your presentation by file and save. Also, what you can reduce. Remember, I have talked about the embedded font, but when you got your presentation, you have downloaded it, and also you are sure that you have the font in your computer on your Mac. So we don't need the font again in the presentation. What you will do, go to the file again, remember, option, and here in save, and check this one. Embed font in the file. You must, if it is checked, you must uncheck this font, this part. Okay, and for this case, you will decrease again the size of your file. So you can replace the font, or you can check if you have it also. You can go to the home file, and here you can make replace, and you have replace font. By default, it is Calibri by default. Okay, so here I don't have the text, and you can choose, if you don't like the font, you can choose any other font that you have here in your computer. Okay, so here you will find the font in your presentation, and if you have it, computer, you can let it, or you can replace it with what you want. So here is how you decrease the file size of your presentation. As you know, it's important the size of any file that we have in our computer. So it is always good to reduce the size of this file or directory also. Just do the same step, it's very useful, without losing the quality of the picture and image. See you in this video, inshallah, to continue our course. Take care of us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib, and follow me on Instagram, teams.windows, faisal.chico, and also visit the website. I have create new design. So I have lost all my articles, my posts. So I am putting again all this article. I am sharing a lot of free stuff about design, graphic, and also free presentation that you can use, free template about Google Slides or PowerPoint, or for the MacOS. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.